Shop like a billionaire or buy a new phone. Honestly, that could be Temu's new slogan. Because when my wife installed Temu, her phone completely froze. At first, everything seemed fine. She even managed to place a couple of orders, but a few days later, the screen just stopped responding. No problem, I thought, just restart it and it worked once. Next day, same issue, and this time no restart would fix it. Now her phone isn't exactly fresh out of the box. A few cracks, a few drops, so naturally we assumed it was finally dying. Step 1. Save her data. But even the cable connection wasn't working. So we took it to a repair shop. They said they could replace the screen, easy, but all her data would be wiped out. Not exactly what you want to hear. So I tried everything myself. Safe mode restart? Nope, did not help. Pulling the battery out and forcing a reboot? That actually worked for a while until it froze again. That's when I asked, did you install anything new recently? She goes, oh yeah, Temu. So I pulled the battery again and rushed to uninstall Temu, and guess what? The freezing stopped completely. So here's what we learned. Don't install sketchy apps and delete the ones you don't use. Fewer apps means fewer problems. Back up your data. For most people, photos are the most valuable thing on their phone. Luckily, my wife had hers backed up on Google Drive. Me, not so smart over here, this whole thing was my wake-up call to finally set it up. So yeah, maybe Temu can save you money, but it might cost you your phone.